Okay, you've changed your oil and now you've got this. And it's time to get rid of that. So what you're going to do to get rid of that is you're going to turn the car back off. Okay. You're going to apply the brake just as normal, like you would do. Okay. And then you're going to go up here and you're going to hold the start and the kilometers mile per hour button at the same time. Start and the miles per hour button at the same time. Push them in at the same time while holding the brake just like you're going to start it. And you should get this. And hold it until it completely does its thing. Ta-da! You're done. Okay? That's it. Car's back to normal. Good luck.